Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer, Mr. Floor Leader. Before we pass this resolution, please allow me first to read the letter of the Governor. Now, this is relative to the request for the passage of an ordinance upgrading the San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital from Infirmary to Level 1 Hospital. So, it can be recalled that Attorney Dennis Veneracion, Officer 1, Office in Charge of the Office of the Governor, as per EO Order Number 101 Series of 2023, in his letter dated April 4, 2023, requested for a resolution before the Honorable August Body to upgrade the San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital, San Joaquin Iloilo from Infirmary to Level 1 Hospital. However, the upgrading of hospital entails additional funds for the Sangguniang Panlalawigan alone. And the Sangguniang Panlalawigan alone has the power to grant through an ordinance. So, for the information of this August Body, San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital was the only hospital in the province of Iloilo that was created through an ordinance. So, we are nakahigot kita. But as a policy sa DOH, before upgrading the hospital, we have to make a request to Department of Health. That is why we're passing a resolution, no? Requesting to them para if mabato na nila ang request, they will evaluate the hospital, and if qualified, no, that is the time that we will be passing an amendment to our ordinance to upgrade. So this is just the first move, the request. If this request will be approved, this resolution will be approved, then we'll pass this resolution to DOH, and the DOH will evaluate the San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital if qualified. So with this, Mr. Presiding Officer, I need to pass a resolution requesting for the Department of Health to upgrade San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital from infirmary to 25 beds capacity. Whereas, by virtue of Provincial Ordinance No. 2018-191, the San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital was annexed as District Hospital and placed under the supervision of Hospital Management Office of the Iloilo Province. And whereas pursuant to Provincial Ordinance No. 2018, Iloilo Provincial Government and Municipality of San Joaquin entered into MOA, transferring the operation of San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital to the Iloilo Provincial Government. And pursuant to the said agreement, the Iloilo Provincial Government shall facilitate the licensing and upgrading of San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital. Whereas the San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital is currently licensed as an infirmary with 10-bed capacity. Thus, it has limited capacity to provide health services to the clients. Presently, the occupancy rate of San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital reached to 188.74% of its authorized bed capacity. Whereas the existing facilities of hospital already include the services of general hospital, such as emergency room, operating room, clinical services, ancillary and support services such as clinical laboratory, imaging facility, pharmacy, and CT scan. Whereas it is necessary to upgrade the license of San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital to maximize its existing capabilities and to address the increasing hospitalization needs of the patients who are mostly coming from the first district of Iloilo and nearby towns in the province of Antique. And for the information of this August Body, if San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital will be qualified, magamit na ang return sa local government unit or sa provincial government na magahanggit rin because of PhilHealth. No? Kaya nila gamay ang nagabalik sa local government unit because of the services na hindi magamit ang PhilHealth. na hindi magamit ang Philip because nga infirmary lang ang San Joaquin Mother and Child Hospital.
Mr. Chair, before I move for the approval, may I request from the proposer, the author, that since I was one of the co-authors of Provincial Ordinance number 2018-191 during the third Sangguniang, may I be a co-sponsor of this proposal? Is there...
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. I was very much happy ko. Okay, it's very good. Para mas mangin mapakon. Yes, very good. Thank you very much.
You know, we have a rough time during that particular period for the approval of this ordinance.
What are those?
That was the past already.
Okay.
But we did it our way with board members in that. So
I'm interested. Asking what are those rough times. Of the leader?
that was history. So
There's a motion.
I move for the approval
So move. Any second?
of the resolution.
Unanimously seconded. Resolution just stated by Honorable Serag is hereby approved.
Thank you.